Mr. Billy now is eating his lunch this Friday noon. He wearing the gown because she was in the laboratory CT scan stonology. That is needed because the ultrasound could not find the exact location of the stone, and we need also to know how big it is. And to the friend of Mr. Bailey, I want to know about his health here and all the ultrasound result. Yeah, he has a kidney stone left and the right, but the most important to remove is in the left king because that is big. And after the CT scan, maybe the doctor can tell us if need to go operation or the stone can still dissolve from the tablet.